Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on a Honda HR-V. This simple process helps keep your maintenance minder accurate after an oil change. First, make sure your HR-V is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off. Then, turn the ignition on without actually starting the engine. This will power up your dashboard display, allowing you to access the necessary settings for the reset. Next, you'll need to navigate to the oil life display. Look for the Select or Trip button, often found on your dashboard or integrated into your steering wheel controls. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various information screens until you see the oil life percentage displayed. This percentage indicates the remaining life of your engine oil. Once the oil life percentage is on your screen, press and hold the same Select or Trip button. Keep holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll notice the display will start to flash, and then it should change to show 100%. This indicates that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset. You can then release the button. Finally, double-check your dashboard to confirm that the oil life indicator now reads 100%. This ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is accurately tracking your oil's condition from this point forward. An accurate reading is crucial for timely service reminders and overall vehicle health. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.